Hi, welcome to GladyTechFix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix warning 61009 malicious application. So the first step you have to take is to go to your Google Play Store. So right here on my Google Play Store, I just click on my profile, click on top right, click on the profile there. So you're going to see what Play Protect. Click on it. So right here, if you have any harmful app, you just scan. If you click on the scan option, it will scan and detect the harmful app immediately. Having done that, you can see my app. There's no harmful app here on my device. So the next step I can take to fix this is to go to my home page. So I'm just going to look for Paytm and click steadily on it. So I'm just going to click on the app info option here. So from here, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on the storage care and cache. I'm just going to clear my cache. Having done that, the next thing I can do is to click on the restart option, click on my power button steadily, click on the restart option here and restart my phone. So guys, that is it on how to fix warning 61009 malicious application. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow GladyTechFix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.